Hello, this is Renovation Update Day 23. Let's take a look around. So in the bathroom, we've got more mosaic over here and running up here and on the edge over here. We've got this trim that I bought today, which will also go over there, and it's there, and it's along there. Where else? Got the tiles up there, and not much else has been done that's noticeable. I know they were working on just getting everything nice and stuff over here. Over here, we've got wire that's running along and coming out to the side. That's electrical wire, and they've put the other PVC pipe on the side. So yeah, we're getting there. I'm waiting for them to actually paint. I think they're going to paint tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes.